When they rip your finger, oh.
Don't put the flash on.
I'm not.
Right.
I'm taking a movie.
Suck it in, girls. All right, ramming speed.
Hi, sweetie.
That's so cool. It's just like in the lobby.
Can I pet you? Don't do that. That's like a worm.
Oh no, they think that's their. They think that's their. You're gonna pet them.
Okay, can I pet him?
I mean, he's gonna have something to eat.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. He's like,
Yeah, I don't feel like papaya today. No papaya today for me, thank you. Nope, I had a bunch of papaya earlier. I really burned down on papaya.
Yeah.
can I pet you?
Well, if you do, let him know you're gonna pet his head. I think one finger at a time.
Oh, he's scratching your beak. It's itchy.
He's probably been hand fed. Come on. Come on, put your head down for me. Come on.
Come on.
Get your papaya.
Go for it. Pet it.
You won't let me. Hi.